Looking for the best camera privacy cover that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best camera privacy cover that's are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Cloud Valley Camera Privacy Cover. This webcam cover is a sleek and practical privacy accessory that blends seamlessly with modern devices without compromising their appearance. Its ultra-thin 0.6mm profile ensures your laptop or tablet closes properly while maintaining full functionality, including the webcam indicator light. The elegant matte black finish gives it a premium, minimalist look that complements MacBooks, iPads, laptops, tablets, and even compatible smartphones. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Simply align it over the camera, press firmly for 15 seconds, and it's securely attached. The smooth sliding mechanism provides instant privacy whenever needed, making it ideal for remote work, online classes, virtual meetings, or everyday browsing. Its wide compatibility and durable construction make it a reliable choice for anyone concerned about digital privacy. Combining style, convenience, and dependable protection, this webcam cover is an affordable yet valuable accessory that helps safeguard your personal space without affecting your device's performance or aesthetics. Next up is Nesmo's Camera Privacy Cover. This adorable plant-themed webcam cover perfectly combines privacy, functionality, and style, making it a thoughtful gift for plant lovers and anyone who values online security. Its ultra-thin design allows laptops to close completely without damaging the screen, while the smooth sliding cover provides instant control over your camera during video calls or when it's not in use. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, MacBook Pro and Air, iPads, iMacs, Surface devices, tablets, smartphones, and Echo products, it offers versatile protection wherever you need it. Installation is quick and hassle-free, adhering securely while removing cleanly without leaving sticky residue behind. Beyond its charming appearance, this webcam cover helps guard against unwanted camera access and potential hackers, giving you greater peace of mind. Adding even more value, each purchase contributes to a meaningful charitable cause, making this accessory not only practical and stylish but also a purchase that supports something positive. Coming in at number 3 is Yieldor Camera Privacy Cover. This webcam cover slide is a simple yet highly effective privacy accessory designed to protect your personal security without sacrificing convenience or style. Its ultra-thin 0.027-inch profile allows laptops to close completely while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance that blends naturally with your device. The smooth sliding mechanism lets you instantly cover or uncover your webcam, helping prevent unauthorized access and giving you peace of mind during everyday use. Compatible with most laptops, desktops, tablets, and smartphones using full-screen or notch-style tempered glass screen protectors, it offers broad versatility for home, office, or travel. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the discreet design preserves your device's clean look. Although it is not intended for rear phone cameras, it works exceptionally well on front-facing webcams, making it an affordable and practical investment for anyone who values digital privacy, security, and hassle-free protection against potential webcam hacking. Now number 4, Cuck's new Camera Privacy Cover. This micro webcam cover is an excellent privacy accessory for anyone who wants reliable protection without adding bulk to their device. Measuring just 0.7mm thin and smaller than a fingertip, it blends seamlessly into your laptop or tablet while allowing the lid to close normally. Made from lightweight plastic, it is designed to avoid scratching your device, offering a safe and durable solution for everyday use. Installation is effortless. Simply peel off the adhesive backing and place it over the webcam for instant privacy whenever the camera is not in use. Its compact size makes it ideal for devices with smaller camera lenses, while compatibility with MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Retina models, iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, and many other laptops and tablets ensures broad usability. Combining a discreet design, dependable functionality, and easy installation, this webcam cover provides an affordable and effective way to protect your visual privacy from unwanted access. And finally, our last pick is Viki Camera Privacy Cover. These cute webcam covers offer the perfect combination of privacy protection and playful style, making them a fun yet practical accessory for everyday devices. Available in charming designs like ducks, pineapples, turtles, flowers, and more, they add personality while keeping your webcam securely covered when not in use. The ultra-thin 0.027-inch profile ensures your laptop or tablet closes smoothly without affecting normal operation, while the durable construction resists cracking during daily use. Equipped with strong nanogel adhesive, each cover stays firmly attached without easily peeling off, providing reliable long-term performance. The smooth one-touch sliding mechanism allows you to instantly open the camera for video calls and close it afterward to protect your privacy and prevent accidental or unauthorized viewing. Compatible with most smartphones, iPhones, iPads, tablets, PCs, laptops, and all-in-one desktops, excluding MacBooks, these webcam covers are an affordable, stylish, and dependable solution for enhancing both digital security and device aesthetics. So those were the top 5 best camera privacy cover you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.